workshop, where 40 machines operate at high speeds. Each line of code drives precise calculations, guiding the machines to carve perfect tooth profiles and ensure secure fastening. Cutting fluid flows continuously, cooling and cleaning the workpieces, preparing them for precision tapping. Every thread depth and angle is exact. Green lights stay on, production never stops. Precision components are securely assembled at automated riveting stations. Laser engraving marks each product with a unique promise of quality. We are a smart factory, crafting every part to perfection.